Want richer sound, smarter noise control, and all-day comfort in one pair of earbuds? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the Technics EAH-AZ100 wireless earbuds, where premium sound meets everyday convenience. With advanced audio technology and a sleek, comfortable design, these earbuds deliver rich, immersive sound with deep bass and clear highs. Whether you're on the move or relaxing, they're built to elevate every listening moment. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Technics EAH-AZ100 wireless earbuds, charging case, extra ear tips, USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable, user manual. Technical specifications. Meet the Technics EAH-AZ100 wireless earbuds, designed as true wireless in-ear earbuds for a secure and comfortable fit. They feature a lightweight build with IPX4 water resistance, protecting against sweat and splashes. Inside, 10mm dynamic drivers deliver rich, balanced sound for every note. Each earbud weighs approximately 5.9 grams, with the charging case around 42 grams. Enjoy adaptive hybrid active noise cancellation and switch to awareness mode whenever you want to hear the world around you. Intuitive touch controls let you play, pause, skip tracks, adjust volume, and switch modes with ease. Connectivity is powered by Bluetooth 5.3 with LE audio support, and the earbuds handle multiple audio codecs including SBC, AAC, LDAC, and LC3. You can even connect to up to 3 devices simultaneously. Battery life gives you around 10 hours per charge, extending to 28 to 29 hours with the charging case. When it's time to recharge, use either USB-C or Qi wireless charging for maximum convenience. Product features. These earbuds use advanced adaptive hybrid active noise cancellation to block out unwanted background sounds, whether you're in a busy cafe, on a commute, or at the gym. When you need to stay aware of your surroundings, the awareness mode lets outside sounds in without removing the earbuds, keeping you safe and connected to your environment. Equipped with 10mm dynamic drivers and supporting high-resolution codecs like LDAC and LC3, the Technics EAH-AZ100 delivers rich, balanced sound with deep bass, clear mids, and sparkling highs. Every note is reproduced faithfully, making music, podcasts, and calls feel incredibly immersive. Enjoy extended listening sessions with up to 10 hours of playback on a single charge. The compact charging case adds an additional 18 to 19 hours, giving you nearly 29 hours of uninterrupted audio, so you can stay powered throughout the day without worrying about running out of battery. Designed for all-day wear, these lightweight in-ear earbuds provide a secure, ergonomic fit that won't cause fatigue. The IPX4 water resistance protects against sweat and splashes, making them ideal for workouts, commuting, or outdoor activities. Product overview. To get started, let's look at the outer face, where you'll find several small openings for the microphones. These are essential for the high-quality noise canceling and clear voice calls you'll experience. Right in the center of that outer circle is your touch sensor, which is available on both the left and right earbuds. A simple tap here lets you control your music or switch between sound modes without reaching for your phone. If you flip the earbuds over, you'll see the gold charging terminals that connect to your case, along with the wear sensors that automatically pause your audio the moment you take an earbud out. On the left earbud specifically, notice the small raised dot. This is a handy tactile cue so you can tell which side is which, even in the dark. Finally, we have the earpieces, designed with a comfortable silicone tip to ensure a perfect acoustic seal for your listening sessions. Now let's take a look at the charging cradle. Starting with the basics, you have the charging cradle lid that keeps everything secure while you're on the move. Once you open it, you'll notice the internal terminal sections. These are custom molded to guide your earbuds into place so they can connect with those gold pins we mentioned earlier. On the outside, there's a small LED indicator that gives you an instant status update on your battery levels or charging progress. For powering up the case, you have two convenient options. There's a charging terminal, USB-C, located on the back for a wired connection, and the bottom of the case features a Qi charging contact for effortless wireless charging. You'll also find the rating information printed on the base, which includes all the technical specifications and safety certifications for your device. How to pair? Start by downloading the Technics Audio Connect app from Play Store or App Store. With the app, you can adjust noise canceling and ambient settings, check battery status, customize the EQ, personalize touch controls, and even locate your earphones if they're lost. It also unlocks advanced features for a better overall experience. Charge the case if needed, then take both earbuds out. They'll power on and enter pairing mode automatically with a melody. Wear them correctly, L and R for a secure fit, then turn on Bluetooth on your device and make sure it's discoverable. Select Technics EAH-AZ100 from your Bluetooth list. If prompted, enter 0000. Once connected, you're ready to enjoy music, calls, and all features, with extra customization available in the app. How to charge. Plug the supplied USB-C cable into the port on the back of the charging case and connect the other end to a USB power adapter, power bank, or computer. The case indicator lights orange while charging and turns off when fully charged. Earbuds take about 1.5 hours, and the case takes around 2 hours to fully charge. Place the closed charging case on a Qi-compatible wireless charging pad. For the best charging speeds, align the button on the back of the case with the center of the wireless charger. Charging starts automatically. Charging works between approximately 5 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build. The Technics EAH-AZ100 features a premium, lightweight design with an aluminum finish and IPX4 water resistance for everyday durability, while the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 4 comes with a compact, lightweight build and an IP54 rating, offering better dust and splash protection. The Technics EAH-AZ100 uses 10mm magnetic fluid drivers with high-resolution audio support like LDAC and LC3, along with features like adaptive ANC, spatial audio, and triple-device multi-point connectivity. In comparison, the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 4 offers a dual-driver system with dynamic and planar drivers, strong AI noise cancellation, spatial audio, and smart features like head gesture controls and dual-device connectivity. The Technics EAH-AZ100 delivers up to around 10 hours of playback with ANC and up to 28 hours with the case, along with Bluetooth 5.3 and support for connecting up to 3 devices. Meanwhile, the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 4 offers around 4.5 to 7 hours on a single charge and up to 23 to 33 hours with the case, using Bluetooth 5.2 with dual device connection support. Pros and cons. The Technics EAH-AZ100 wireless earbuds deliver rich, balanced sound with deep bass and clear highs, thanks to their 10mm drivers and high-resolution codec support, like LDAC and LC3. They offer useful features like multi-point connection for up to 3 devices, solid battery life of around 10 hours with up to 29 hours using the case, wireless charging, and stable Bluetooth 5.3. You also get a comfortable, premium design, responsive touch controls, awareness mode, spatial audio, and voice assistant support for everyday convenience. However, they come at a premium price, and while the ANC is good, it's not the strongest. Passive isolation could be better, and some features rely on the app. There's slight latency in gaming, the case is a bit bulky, and call quality isn't the best in noisy conditions. With limited ANC control, IPX4 resistance, and a fit that may not suit everyone, they're great overall, but not perfect. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.